If you want to transfer data from your old phone to OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is we can use the Clone Phone app, which is pre-installed on your OPPO Reno 15 Pro. On the other hand, if your old phone is not OPPO, Realme or OnePlus, then you will have to download this app as well. In the case of any other Android, then you can just go to the Play Store and you can search for the Clone Phone app. In the case of the iPhone, of course, you want to go to the App Store and get the OPPO Clone Phone app as well. So we're gonna open the Clone Phone app. Over here on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, we're gonna select that this is the new device. There we go. We need to grant all the necessary permissions. Now over here we need to choose what is our old device. So if we have OPPO, Realme or OnePlus, then of course we need to select that option. Any other Android has to select other Android, and in the case of iPhone you want to choose Apple. In my case it is other Android. Now we need to scan this QR code, so we can tap on scan the QR code to connect. You can also choose to connect manually in case you have issues with connecting both devices together wirelessly or automatically actually. So after scanning the QR code, both your devices should connect quite easily. Then over here on your old phone, you can choose whatever you want to transfer. So as you can see, we have contacts, SMS, call logs, and so on and so forth. And you can, of course, deselect things that should not be included. And then afterwards, you just want to tap on next and follow the rest of the instructions that you will have on the screen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.